Welcome to the lab.
Ooh.
First things first, protection. Tying back the hair, always important.
So why do we do this? Why do we need to go through this process of putting on a lab coat, putting on these gloves? It seems like a lot of things that we need to consider, right?
And we're doing this so that we can prevent any contamination or any skin cells, any dirt from the outside world to fall on into the materials that we're working with. So any agar plates, any substrates, we've got to keep everything super sterile, super clean.
And how do we do that? How do we create like a sterile lab condition, whether we're working in a more elaborate lab setting or we're just doing this very DIY at home? There's a lot of things that we can take into consideration when it comes to cleanliness in the lab.
So what is important is to have an enclosed space. Something that's where there's not too much movement happening. So a good place in the home could be the bathroom, for example, or like a small kitchen. Anywhere with like a non-porous surfaces. So for example, here we've got this stainless steel work surface, and in the bathroom you'd normally have some sort of tiling or some like marble or something like that, which is nice and smooth, easy to clean, so it makes a great countertop to work on.
One of the reasons that we put on all of this personal protective equipment, so PPE, is because there is a lot of yeast, spores, bacteria that is all over our skin, our scalp, our face, that when we breathe, we're breathing in and out a lot of these other microorganisms, which are not good or bad. It's just that they also really like this food that we're giving our mycelium, and because we want to culture them, meaning isolate just the one strain on a plate or on a liquid culture, then we want to try not to give them a home. So the way that we do that is to just eliminate as many pathways in the air on our surfaces as we possibly can for them to not get to the same food source, because they will compete